Hi friends. My name is Kupish. And you are watching Excel Connect. Today I will tell you a different way of pasting multiple values. Because most of the people are not following the correct way. We are doing like this. Copy this. Paste this. Copy this. Paste this. Copy this. Paste this. But this is a very lengthy practice. Today I will tell you more advanced pasting technique. We have to do like this. Copy this. Copy this. Copy this. And now you have to press Window key plus V. Instead of Control plus V. And it will open Clipboard. Now you can paste this. And then this. And then this. With this you will not paste wrong things, and you can paste things according to your convenience. Hope you like this new technique. Stay connected for more informative videos.